Alright guys, today we're gonna look over how to set up and fix a grade book. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, well, first thing I did, this is my finished grade book. First thing I did was I put the names of the students in alphabetical order. So what you want to do is gonna come to this side, drag all these names down, drag the cursor down all these names. So make sure they're all selected. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to sort and filter and press uh, A to Z. You're gonna sort it from A to Z. So if I want to, I can go from Z to A. Okay, and it would change it. All right. Well, what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave it from A to Z. All right. The next thing I'm gonna do, or what I did, was I began to average out all of the scores that the students had. So what I did was I came here, I selected. You can put in the formulas, or you can use the formulas they give you. Uh, there are certain formulas you can use that uh, will give you a certain answer that you want. But what I did, I selected the row of the student, and I went to auto sum. Auto sum, it can give you the sum of all the numbers, the average, and the maximum minimum. It's a lot of functions it can give you. So I did that with all of these. And as you can see right here, that it gave me the average. So I got the average for all of these. I got the quiz average, and then I just got the quiz one average, like along the bottom. So I got the average of each assignment for the class along the bottom, and the average for each student in the quiz. And I did the same thing for the skills test. So I would select I would select all on the row, and I will average it out, and right here it will give me the test average. Okay, so and you would just do this with all. You could put the formula in, or you could use the auto sum button. We can, like I said, you can come here and average the scores out. Okay, so I did not include the extra credit because the extra credit it wasn't uh, it just added on to the grade. It wasn't a part of the grade. So what I did now, uh, I got the average scores from right here and over here, all the scores over here, and I averaged out a GPA what they had. So they ended up uh, getting the GPA. I put the GPAs on the side, so I will be able to type in a number, you know, and it will automatically be able to give me the percentage. So let's say I just put in 80. Okay, let me take the number like 80. It would automatically give me the percentage. And then so I average all these up. I got the average GPA, and this is the class average GPA right here. So uh, the last also I ended up putting borders around to make this a little more neat. Put borders around the whole graph. So I would select the whole. You see, I got a red border. Select the whole border. I would right click. I would go to Format Cells. Okay. And right here, you can go to Border, and you can select how you want that. Okay. The last couple things I did, I got a graph, a chart saying the averages from each test and the grade point averages from all the students. So let me see. Well, I got this from I went to Insert. I went to column charts. So you click on that and you would choose which column, which chart you want. All right, and then it will automatically come up and give you the results. So there's a lot of data right here. And one other thing I did to be able to, for a person to be able to sort these things out, to sort these columns out, I went home and I inserted auto, yeah, I put it out, insert a filter. So I selected the labels of each row, so right here, and I clicked on filter, and now if I want to, say I had a whole bunch of names, I could just show which names I want. So if I only want to see, that, that'll be the only thing that come up. So that's real useful for like if you had a lot of information. So, and the last thing I'm going to do, or that I did do, was I inserted a header. So for some reason it splits it up. It makes it seem like it's about to be printed. So what I did was I put PE Gradebook, put my name, put my date, and this is what it looks like. So if it was going to be printed, this is what it would look like. And that is my gradebook. I hope this helped out.